Hey everybody, it's David for Everyday Carry Upgrade, and I'm out today on the range with an upgraded Taurus. This is the Taurus 856. So the Taurus grip comes off fairly easily. All you really need to do to get the Taurus grip off is take a roll pin punch, ideally punch out this pin, and that's what loosens this. Now if you take a look, the two grips are slightly different. If you compare them right there, what you'll see here is that the Viridian laser grip has just an extra bit of finger on the backside. So let's see if we can get this together here. Alright, we're going to have to knock that back. So the grip comes apart with these two screws right here. And a third down below that holds the bottom together. Now it fits securely right over the roll pin detent down below. And this comes back through. And let's start down here on the bottom. Cinching it back down. Pulling it together. Again, make sure that your seams are closed tightly. You don't want anything coming in there. Sweat, palm grease, dirt, dust. Now you have the laser grips installed, and when you reach and go for that gun, the middle finger activates, cuts it on. Be sure to check out VIRIDIAN WEAPON TECHNOLOGIes, the Taurus 856.